Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today is another vlog, but I just wanted to do a little intro because I wanted to give a shout out to my dear Julie. She called me over the weekend and told me how she watches all my videos, and I had no idea because she doesn't comment down below. So if you're watching this, I hope you go down in the comments and leave me a comment so I know. And that goes for everybody too that watches my videos. Sometimes I just don't know that people are watching because they don't leave me a comment or anything, so I just think no one's watching. But yeah, I just wanted to say hi to dear Julie, love you, and thanks for supporting me and watching all my videos. And so other than that, I wanted to show you guys my phone. It is in pieces right now. Yeah, so I'm not gonna have a phone for like a week. But anyways, let's just jump into the vlog, which starts a few days ago. So yeah. Hey guys, happy Friday. So I didn't just get home, but I've been home for a little bit, and I'm just making dinner. Some asparagus going. I got me a rotisserie chicken. I got some spaghetti noodles in here. This is for Zizi. I'll show you what I'm making. I saw this. I'm not going hard on the keto. I know I mentioned it in one of my videos, I think, that I was just going to do straight up keto. I haven't been on any type of diet, honestly. But, yeah, this is a recipe that I learned from when I was doing the keto stuff. And I actually really like it. So I'm going to redo it. It's basically chicken Alfredo without the noodles. You use asparagus, and then like the chicken and the Alfredo sauce, which I'll make homemade. I got some Parmesan. Oh, I got some Parmesan here, some freshly shaved, my heavy whipping cream. This is the sauce for Zizi for his spaghetti, because he doesn't like Alfredo, because I don't know why he doesn't like Alfredo. I actually got, and I'm gonna see if it's not too dark. So I actually got, when I got home today, I got a message on my front door that I needed to take care of the weeds and stuff in the front and backyard. It's just really hard for me to maintain on my own. I'm working a lot during the week. I'll try and show you, like, that's how bad it is out there. I ended up calling like a lawn service person, like, you know how people like a landscaping, I don't know, I'm so dumb. Anyways, I called somebody to come by and give me a quote. Just look at the yard and give me a quote of how much it would be. I'm going to do the front by myself and just have them do the back. Hopefully it's not too much, because, yeah. Anyways, I'm going to finish making dinner, and then that's really it. I just had a visit with my man just now, and we're not doing anything the rest of the night. I need to get him in the shower, get him in jammies, and then after I eat, I want to just like watch a movie and relax. So it is Labor Day weekend, so we'll see what we're doing this weekend. My daughter's with her dad, and I vlogged last weekend and I was just not into it. Like, my heart wasn't in it. I was just like taking clips here and there of stuff, and I feel like the vlog turned out really bad, so I ended up just scratching all that and not putting it up, because I'm not just gonna put up a boring vlog just because, like I have before, but I'm trying to, like, I want my content to be better and stuff. Happy Saturday!
Happy Saturday!
Anyways, what are we doing? We're not doing much today.
Yep.
We haven't done much today at all. I woke up with another headache. So yay for the headaches. So I haven't done much. It's like 1 o'clock right now, and I just barely, I'm not even done getting ready. I have to curl my hair. Excuse me, which I do not want to do at all. And then my mom is coming over, and that's about it. I don't even know what we have planned. It is Labor Day weekend, like I said. I think I said that. So 3 days off. That's cool. I had somebody come and do my yard, bro, and yeah, I got that notice, like I was saying. Ow! What the hell just burned me? and I had somebody come and do my yard. It was really nice. I just found somebody off KSL that works on lawns and stuff, and he came by and gave me a quote and kind of negotiated the price with me, which was really cool. I told him, you know, my situation, and he was like, you know, he's like, I would normally charge more, but you know, I'm trying to help you out, I understand. And so it was really nice of him. And then he said he can come back like every other week, and it was a really fair price, because my backyard was bad, and I should have videoed, like took a video of it, or at least a picture to show you, because it was horrible. It's still ugly and dry and dead, but it's not all like, I mean, the weeds were higher than me, like they were taller than me, taller than the fence. So I don't know if somebody complained, or if like the code enforcement people were just driving by. I'm pretty sure they were just driving by, because I don't think my neighbors would really complain on me, because most of them are cool and they know, like, they know us and stuff. So anyways, I don't know what and if we're gonna do anything. It is Labor Day weekend, 3-day weekend, so 3 days off work. I can't complain about that. I don't want to do anything. I don't even want to leave my house. I just want to like chill and watch movies and eat food. So anyways, that's what's cracking today. Well, we went and got some frozen yogurt. Sorry, I'm looking at my mom outside. We went and got some frozen yogurt today, and I forgot to bring my camera. So yeah, let's look at what my mom's doing. She's out here putting work in, guys. So my lawn looks a lot better. See, all that's gone. My battery light's blinking. I took the pool down. I'm gonna wash it and put it away. I'm done with it for this year. So we are just going to have dinner. I have a visit coming up in like 30 minutes. So I gotta put my battery on the charger because it's about to die.
Why Daddy didn't bleed when he's shaving?
Because he has hair. But what were you saying before that? That you can't believe?
Yeah, I can't believe.
What?
I did that.
Did what?
That shaved me.
Why were you shaving yourself?
Because I was scared.
You were what?
I was scared.
Scared of what?
That was shaving me.
I know, but why did you do it?
Because that was not bleeding to me.
I know. Did you think you were a big person? A big boy?
No.
You think it was funny?
No. It was super really bad.
It was super really bad? Yeah. Now your lip is super bleeding, huh?
Yeah, so I have to leave it on for a little bit. Maybe a couple of days.
Maybe a couple days?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry.
My hand is bleeding.
Your hand too, huh?
Yeah.
Now did you know your lesson? Did you learn your lesson? What's the lesson that you learned?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah.
Maybe not to play with shavers?
Yeah.
Yeah. Never play with shavers, huh?
Yeah.
Because Daddy can shave because he's a grown-up and he has hair, but you can't shave yet.
Oh, yeah, because I need to be big and strong.
Yeah. It's okay, though.
Yeah, Molly, can you shave you?
I do shave.
Only on women's legs.
Oh, yeah. Woman's legs. Hey, so happy Sunday. It's really hot out here. I did not realize how hot it is out here. So obviously I'm in the car. I'm in my mom's car right now. She's here. She slept over. And there was not much else going on yesterday. We mostly just like hung out, slept, watched TV. And that's all I've been doing today. I've got another headache, which is so annoying because yesterday my headache was on this side. And it was like my neck and my eye. How I normally get headaches, honestly. And then when I woke up today, everything was on this side. So yeah, my mom gave me a little bit of a massage, so that kind of helped, but I'm still like feeling it. I just feel like I could sleep and just like hopefully if I do come back and I like take a nap, it'll just go away. Today's Sunday, tomorrow is the holiday, and we're going to go over to my brother's to celebrate. Right now I'm in the car because I'm going to the dollar store to get some batteries for my son's what do you call it, his little toy cars, because I want him to play outside more, and I told him to go play with his toy cars, but none of them have batteries. So I just get mine from the dollar store because it's hella cheaper, but they don't last as long, so you get what you pay for. But yeah, that's about it. I hope this vlog doesn't turn out crappy. Like, I really haven't been doing much, and I've been all like headachy this weekend, and so that trip took me like 30 minutes total, and my head is hurting so bad. It just like got worse after I left the house. It's starting to feel like it's turning into a straight up migraine. Like, my eyes are hurting. I don't even want to stay awake right now. So yeah, this is my life, you know. Can't even enjoy my days off, I swear. And I don't want to be negative, and I feel like maybe, I don't know, maybe I get migraines because I am negative sometimes. Like for example, I was sitting in the drive-thru because I went and got food for us, and I was thinking like, I'm just gonna shower, take off my makeup. My makeup looks so plain anyways today, and like just thinking negative thoughts about myself. And I get the food or whatever, and the guy in the drive-thru gives me my food, and he's like, by the way, your makeup is popping. And I was like, thank you. No, but like seriously, I was like, damn. And here I was like 10 seconds ago thinking to myself that I look like shit. I don't know. Maybe that's why I get migraines. I don't know. But I really would not want it. Would like to not have them anymore. I'm gonna go, I don't even know if I can eat. Like, I think I'm just gonna shower and sleep, and I'm hoping that will make it go away, because I know damn well medicine won't. So yeah.
And I'm 8 years old, and I am Casey's niece. I forgot the word.
And what do you want to say to my channel?
I want to say that I love all of her fans because I'm a fan of her too.
Are you my biggest fan?
Yes.
Oh, you heard it here, people. She's the biggest fan.
I watch it every morning. I get on the computer, but today the computer was locked.
Aww.
So I couldn't watch.
Thank you for watching all my videos.
I was subscribing, and then my dad blocked the subscribing.
Oh, I'm gonna have to talk to him about that.
Yeah, talk to him, please.
All right.
Also the comments. You watch the comments.
Okay, we'll say your goodbyes.